Bottom firing a pass over to Tkachuk. Likes to settle it down. Now Tkachuk. Down low. Pressure. Here's Anderson. Toffoli. One-timer. Scores! That's his ninth as a Flame. It comes on a 5-on-3 and opens the scoring here in Calgary.
And relentless pressure, and the Flames recognize the Avalanche. They were exhausted. They've been caught out there almost the entire time. Watch Toffoli just working them up high, get it back to the point, and then Matthew Tkachuk goes back high again. Here's a one-time pass. Beautiful pass from Rasmus Anderson right into the wheelhouse. But the thing that really stands out for me is that the Flames never let them off the hook. When they were tired, they recognized that and continued to move the puck around and attack the net when they had the opportunities.
Still 43 seconds.